guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do what I dubbed a double Dutch pour, where we do one color on top, one color on the bottom as a background, so you get double color. So we're going to do white, and we're going to do a pretty pink, and then we're going to use some pinks and a green and hope that I don't get mud. So I got this picture in my head of what I want. But as we know on this channel, that never comes out sometimes. So I'm also going to be using this rose gold Rust-Oleum glitter interior paint. And I also am going to use a little bit of the Deco Arts satin enamel right here. And this kind of gives you like a cloud effect. So we're going to try a little bit of that on the top, and we'll see how that all plays together. So let's get started. So I just mixed up a little bit of this shimmer acrylic paint. It's Shimmer Rose from Handmade Modern. I got this at Target. So let's see. Let's start off with my white line. I kind of want more white than pink this time. Or maybe just half and half. We'll see if I have enough pink. We'll start out at the bottom here. I want to save a little bit of this so that I can incorporate it in the Dutch pour too. So I'm going to save that. So hopefully that's enough for the painting, or for this half here. And all my paints are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, a little bit of water, and some of them have Liquitex Basic Medium, Gloss Medium, and Varnish in it. I really like that. I feel like it holds your paint and gives them a little bit of a sheen. Gives them a little bit of a gloss, so they're not so matte, because Floetrol will dull your colors a little bit. And I feel like the Liquitex Medium and Varnish mixed in with them help out a little bit. Okay, so we got this. Let's get our edges. I'm gonna tilt this a little bit. Tilt this. Just to get the paint moving and get it over the edges. And I kind of like when it does that, it mixes. Ooh, that is very shimmery. It's pretty. I kind of like it. Okay, let's get it over on this side. So we're just kind of, I'm just moving the paint over the edges. Let's get it over to this corner, just so I can cover the sides. Okay, there we go. And I kind of like how it did that. It mixed this together. I need some of that pink, so that it's not like a harsh line between the 2 colors. Okay. All right, let's do our white up on top with our Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And I don't know what was going on with this the last time. I think I might have put too much paint on my canvas because it was acting sort of funny. So let's get this. And you just want a thin coat. You don't want this to be super thick. It's just kind of helping your paints flow. So you don't want it to be too thick. And I think last time I made the base layer too thick, and that's why it was kind of swallowing up my colors a little bit and giving me a problem. So Okay, let's make sure that all of our canvas is covered. There we go. Right there. I had a little bit right there. Okay, so I'm gonna again tilt this just to get those colors, that base coat kind of moved around over the edge. There we go. Take it down. Take it down, 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 down. Down and over. This rose, shimmery rose, is so pretty. Such a pretty color. All right, I think we're good there. I do see a few spots on my sides that aren't covered, so let's get those covered. You definitely want to make sure that your sides are covered. I know we're going to blow paint over this, but if there's nothing on your canvas right there, then it's not going to flow over as easy. So, and you may forget and not check it, and then you're going to have some blank spots, and we don't want that. Okay, so good to go. Let me wipe that off. Let me wipe this one off. And we'll see how this is gonna work out. Hopefully, nicely. I need one to turn out how I envision it. Sometimes you envision it and you think, oh, it's gonna be like this and it looks different, but it doesn't mean it's a bad thing. Sometimes it still turns out beautiful, or more beautiful than you thought in the first place. So that's good. So I'm just gonna take the torch, pop these bubbles. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I really like how those mix together right there. And I'm kind of getting cells in that white. The pink's kind of popping up from underneath it. Pretty. Okay. What just fell out of my torch? Something fell out of my torch right here. Okay. I got it. All right. So let's do this. We're gonna start. I think maybe I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go diagonal because I want some negative space up there and maybe some negative space over here. So maybe we'll go that way. Yes, we're going that way. Okay. Oh, I forgot to turn off my overhead light. Hold on a second, guys. Because it shines down on my canvas and kind of makes it hard to see. Okay, let's wipe off this. We're gonna go with Medium Magenta by Liquitex Basics. We're gonna start off with that first. And we're gonna bring it all the way down and off the canvas. Okay, then we're gonna use Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics. Start off the canvas and just kind of come down this way. I might need to add a little bit more of that pink. Then we're gonna do Light Portrait Pink by Liquitex Basics. See if that color even comes up. Let's see. We're gonna do, should I add, let's add a little bit of this darker magenta. It's, I can't say that word. Anyway, it starts with a Q. I was gonna try to keep it light, but I think we need a contrasting, I think we need a dark in there. Okay, now, I mixed this Rust-Oleum glitter interior paint with water and Liquitex gloss medium and varnish, but it doled it out. So if you're wanting to use this without it doling, which I did with the silver, I just mixed it with water and paint. So let's see what we get with that. go another. Okay, one more, because it's very, very thin lines. So we'll see, bless you, what we get with that. Okay, and then I want to put a little bit of this pink that we did down here in this upper part. So I'm gonna start up here, and I'm just gonna run it into there, and then we're gonna do, bless you, the white. I think let's do this. Let's do the Cloud Pour, the Deco Art Satin Enamel, and let's just kind of see what we get with this. Okay, let's see what we get with that. All right, now I need to, we're gonna put white around these colors because we need a flow extender. Okay, so white there, white here, like so. Put a little bit more right there. Okay, so white, and then we need to use this pink here because we're going to blow these colors over the other colors. Usually I don't save enough of the bottom color to use as my flow extender, but this time I remembered. Okay, I think that's all the colors. Uh-oh, the TV switched on. Hold on a second. Let me pause that. I usually have the remote over by me, but the girls were watching TV in the living room and took the remote over there. So, there we go. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna go on low. Blow this color over. And then we're gonna blow the color over this way. Okay, let's torch it, get these bubbles out. Ooh, I see that glitter popping through. Oh, it looks so pretty. And I think I'm getting low on my butane. Let's let that sit for a minute and kind of work together. Wow, I fill up my butane torch too. So pretty. I'm loving that rose shimmer. And I love seeing the glitter coming out from underneath it. So pretty. So, so pretty. Okay. There's a couple bubbles right there I wanted to pop. All right, let's blow this out. So, oh, I forgot to put the green in. Darn it. That was the color I was doing this for, was the darn green. That's all right. I'm gonna try something. So, let's do this. Hi, Daddy. Give me a minute, I'm recording. Oh, that's so pretty. Maybe I don't want to do any green in it. I think I'm just gonna, no, I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. That turned out so beautiful. So beautiful. I want to do anything to it. I don't see a lot of the glitter yet, but maybe that'll start popping through. I do see canvas here, so I'm going to put a little bit of white. I don't know, guys. I don't want to do much more to it. It looks so pretty. But I should have done a little bit more glitter, I think. Oh, got my hair in there. No, I think it's gonna I'm just gonna leave it. It's so, so pretty. And I see some glitter here, just hints of it. Oh, it's so pretty. Yep, I think that's it. I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna turn it so you guys can see it this way. Look at how beautiful that is. And I'll take pictures, of course, and put it in the, at the end of the video. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I tilted it a little bit. So, I'll put it back on my pyramid things. Okay. Yeah, I don't, I wanted to do pink and green, and I had my green out and I forgot it, and I'm kind of happy I did. But now I have to test, because I wanted to see how the green would look with it. But, oh, cells are popping up here. And that shimmery glitter is coming out. Let's see what we can get in here. Oh, look at those. Let's see what we can get over here. Oh, super pretty. All right. Well, I guess that's all we're going to do for now, because I like the way this one turned out. I don't want to blow anything. I don't want to add anything. It looks beautiful. I think my sides are covered very well, except this side I'll go back over real quick. But, all right, guys, I'll put the colors and stuff down in the description. And if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification so you get notified of future videos that I make. And thanks for watching.